Now that it is all dry and fully installed, this thing ain't going nowhere. This thing is super solid down to the toolbox. I put a little piece of duct tape here just so the cord doesn't get pulled on, and it's running straight down into the bed of the truck. So if we follow it this way, here's the cord, and it is running straight into this this Minn Kota battery box. So the reason why I have it set up like this is because we are on a road trip right now. We're going to be starting this road trip very soon. And Yak Tribe inventory is in this box, and in this box right here is our printer, our shipping labels, everything like that. And I have an inverter for a 12-volt cigarette lighter that plugs in here so that we can plug our what do you call it, our printer in and everything, our laptops in, and everything that we need to do to charge it. And this stays topped off because of our solar panel. So hope you guys like this little mod right here. It's really not that complicated. You buy one of these 12 volts at the store. It already comes with the gator clamps and everything you need. You run it straight to a 12 volt battery. In this case, I have mine inside this Minn Kota box, and because of that solar panel, it will always be charged and topped off at all times. I'm going to tape this down so that the pressure isn't on the actual cord right here. So when it pulls, it's pulling from here, not this, so that doesn't break. All right. Pro tip. This will actually kind of protect the inside too. This is weatherproof, but
yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Do it right.